Students learn different adaptive solution from Learning Center. Coastal area of Bangladesh frequently affected from different climatic hazard like cyclone, flash flood, tidal surge, and salinity intrusion also.
এই প্রযুক্তির মাধ্যমে শিক্ষার্থীরা জলবায়ু পরিবর্তনের মোকাবেলা করার এবং কৃষি বান্ধব পরিবেশ রক্ষা করার প্রশিক্ষণ গ্রহণ করে, যার মাধ্যমে এই অঞ্চলের মানুষ উপকৃত হয়।
Community farmers adopted different agricultural practices like integrated cultivation, different salt tolerant variety, intercropping, and mixed cropping. Some households are producing organic vegetable through organic fertilizer and organic pesticides, and some farmers also adopted high valued crop for their land. Like vermicompost, trichocompost, and becoming entrepreneur. Besides this, students contribute to the tree plantation in the community. If we win the sustainability award, we will spread out and extend different adaptive solution within our community.